Hi y'all, what's good? Today we're gonna do evaluate reverse Polish notation. It's a medium problem, but it's pretty simple after you realize that you can just use a stack to add on the the numbers, then you just pop it, then like you do the operations or whatever it is, then like once you do that, you just add the result to the stack. So we're gonna use a stack. In this case, it's gonna be like a list. Then we're gonna go through each character in the stack. Oh, sorry, not in the stack, in the tokens, or once we go through that, we basically just check what the operator is and what we need to do for it. So for example, if if the character is a plus sign, then we wanna pop. We basically wanna pop. So since it's guaranteed that the before the operator is always gonna be like two numbers uh before it, we just want to pop twice. We want to pop twice. So pop like this. We pop twice, and since it's a plus, we add those two together. So it's gonna add these two. It's gonna pop these two off. Then it's gonna add them. Then once we have that, we can just add our result to our stack. So stack dot append like that. Then if it's a minus, that one it's a little bit different because you we can't just pop it then just like subtract because we gotta keep track of what comes in, well, what is pop first and what is pop second. So for that we're gonna use two variables a and b, and we pop them to store the values. Then after that we can just do the regular, but so we're gonna add the result. And since A was popped first, it's gonna be so we have to do the opposite. So it's gonna be B minus A, not the other way around. So like that. Then if C is a multiplication, then we can just do the same as the addition, where we just add the result. So this case, instead of adding, we're gonna multiply. So it's gonna be stack dot pop like this. Then for the last one, let's see, equals division. We wanna is the same as the minus where we have to store the values. Stack dot pop, stack dot pop. Then yeah, it's basically similar. Stack dot append, but since when you divide in Python, it like rounds the numbers. So first we gotta like or it like rounds the number the wrong way. So we gotta convert the numbers into a integer. Then we do the operation. So b divided by a like that. And else else if it's not an operator, we know that it's gonna be a number. So we can just append dot append. But then we gotta make sure it's a integer. Then that's basically it. Then we just return the first value of our stack because that's going to give us the result.